Hi, good morning. Hello. Hello, my friend. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? Today is Monday for you. I'm not going outside. It's -10 today. You wanted to just be home with you. Hi. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. How are you doing? Beautiful eyes, huh? Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. You have very nice eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Hello. Hello, beautiful eyes, my friend. Beautiful eyes. You don't want to be beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. You have green eyes, huh? Green eyes. Beautiful eyes. Green, like brown, yellow. Hi, hi, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Hi. Very nice, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes.